Hello, I'm Leo Wang, and today we're diving into a turbulent but record-setting day on the markets. Sound of a gentle, optimistic opening bell. The big story is the remarkable performance of U.S. stocks, with both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq closing at all-time highs. The S&P 500 surged past the 6,150 mark, fueled by a wave of investor optimism. This rally seems to be driven by two key factors: persistent hopes for broader trade deals with several countries and growing expectations that the Federal Reserve will implement at least 3 rate cuts in 2025 to sustain economic momentum. Sound of a sudden, sharp tape rewind effect. However, this optimism is being tested by a significant geopolitical development. The White House has abruptly terminated all trade discussions with Canada. The move comes in direct response to Canada's plan to impose a digital services tax, which would affect major American tech firms. The administration has signaled it could impose new tariffs on Canada within a week, a move that suddenly imperils a massive trading relationship and introduces significant uncertainty into the market. This has created a classic tug of war, with positive domestic news pulling against international trade friction. On the domestic front, there's good news for the financial sector. The Federal Reserve's latest stress tests indicate that the nation's largest banks are well capitalized and could withstand a severe recession. This strong report card could pave the way for looser capital rules, which would be a boon for banks like JP Morgan, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. In other developments, analysts are showing renewed confidence in Boeing, with some issuing a buy rating, seeing signs of a healthier, more streamlined company emerging. We're also seeing a trend towards larger and more valuable companies preparing for initial public offerings. Market analysis suggests a massive backlog of quality companies is building up, which could lead to a very active IPO market in the near future. So, what's the takeaway? The market sentiment is cautiously bullish, buoyed by strong bank fundamentals and the prospect of lower interest rates. But the sudden trade dispute with a key ally like Canada serves as a stark reminder of the geopolitical risks that could derail this rally at any moment. Investors will be closely watching for any further trade developments and signals from the Federal Reserve. I'm Leo Wang. Thank you for tuning in.